Hello everyone, JoRaSe here, ready to get back to our Bycocket Hat project. Let's get to that very thing. And we have the old pattern, and it's not really a new pattern, but it's slightly bigger. I increased the size just a little bit and did it out of a lighter color paper, a little bit thicker stuff too. So that's why we've got the other sheet. What we're looking to do this time is get the pattern traced out onto the fabric. Have to make sure everything is lined up as best it can be. I am going to iron it out, but right now we're just marking, so I don't think that's necessary. With the practice one, it wasn't, the blue one, so I'm pretty sure we're going to be okay. Get the pattern laid out here, turn it around where I have a better position, better angle on things. Get that back edge lined up. And now for the pencil. A yellow fabric pencil. And we're just going to start up at the top here and work our way down and around, pressing pretty hard and going slow, so we're sure we're actually applying the color of the pencil. Should be able to see some of it here in a moment on the side view. Hope we will, at least. The top view is going to have to wait a little bit on that because, well, obviously the camera's quite high up. Nowhere near as close as the side one is, which you can see in the top view. It's the thing off to the left in the darkness. That is the side camera. Taking it slow on this one. I want to be sure the line is fully there. Nearing the turning point here. I think we're going to have to move this up a little bit to get the rest of it. Yeah, here we go. Got to be kind of careful here that we don't shift the paper off of the position we have it on, and I think I've done all right. Now just to finish tracing out the bottom here. And then we will be moving on. At some point. At some point here, we'll get to that corner. It'll just take a little while, but we will get there. Here we are. We're nearly there. I think we're moving into the home stretch now. Definitely moving into the home stretch. Always a good thing to get the outlining finished, because it takes a fair amount of energy to get that done. Having to make sure nothing moves on me. Yeah, that's not fun, but the end result is well worth it, as you're about to see. Alright, let's see how it looks. There we go. Doesn't look like much, and it really isn't. So now I need to get some pins to pin this down. So we've got the two layers connected. And that will be just a moment here. All right. Have to go get them, of course. I keep thinking I have everything where I need it, and I don't. Eventually I'm going to get there, where I do have everything. I just didn't have everything this time. Like before though, everything is close to hand. Just needs a little walking to get to it though. Be back on the job any moment now. Any moment I'll be coming back with those pins. Any minute now. And here we have the pins that I need. Very nice. Can now get back into the task here. Don't need all of them at once though, so we'll move them to the side. start with a few and go from there. And I don't know about you, but I do like using safety pins for these kinds of things. The last thing I need is to have to go get the first aid kit, because I didn't realize I was reaching right for the pointy end. Go ahead and get them opened up. Now we're ready to begin. I have to figure out how I want to go about this though, because I need both layers pinned together. I also have to make sure my fingers are loose and limber. So we're going to start down here at the end. And here we go, the first pin. There we go. First pin is through. Just multiple pull more and we're done. Move these over to the side, because it's probably going to be better to do each side one after the other, and then go back to the near side once we've got this one in, and then just alternate. Pin's not wanting to work with me. We get it there. We get it there. All right, there's 2 in. Multiple pins left to go. This will be the next one. There we go, it's through. Very nice. On to the next. This isn't a hard process, it's just time consuming. But if I want the next step to go smoothly, kind of have to do this. So there's 4 pins in. moving on to number 5. And this is where it gets kind of tricky. It's got that slant to it. But I manage. And that's what matters. There we go. Number 5 is through. Need to get another one ready to go here. Maybe, I was going to say maybe a few more, but why bother? They're easy enough to open up. The hard thing is getting them through 4 layers of this canvas material. So we've got 6 in. I know I'll be needing at least 2 more. Maybe more. We'll see. Go ahead and get 2 of them opened up and ready to go. And this will be pin number 7. And it's through. Nice. Might just need 2 more here. And if so, that's wonderful. Get the fabric pinched up. Get the pin and poke it through. There we go. We got this. Indeed, we've got this. Right at the tip this time. And let's see, can we do it in one go? Not so sure with that pinch, but we'll see. And no, that doesn't look right. Thankfully, it went right into the pencil, which is going to be the cut line. So we're still okay. We just need to reposition it a little bit further out, a little bit further away. And this time, here's hoping that we did it right. And we did. Great. So now for a sped up version of the lime green, we're going to do this exactly the same as the previous. Get it lined up there. Get the yellow pencil. You'll see me check it a few times because I'm not sure if the pencil is coming through on the lime green or not, but it does, thankfully. Just keep this going here. And I think the pencil needs a bit of sharpening. So we'll just use the X-Acto blade. Carefully shave a little bit away and we got what we need. Checking position and alignment, everything looks okay, so back to the pencil. There we go, it is faint, but it is there. Now for the pins, get these all put in here. And thankfully no blood or piercing of the skin with a needle. I try to stay blood-free when I can in these kinds of projects. And so far I'm managing just fine, thankfully. Keep working here and getting all the pins put in on this one. We're getting to the end of it, aren't we? That we are. And of course, the next step is going to be cutting. Small video feed error there on one of them. It happens from time to time. Well, there we go. That's both of them. Next up, cutting. Hey there everyone. Just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you did enjoy the video, how about giving it a thumbs up? Alright, I will see you all next time.